Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In today's episode, we are going to be learning how to report players in Ludo King. If you encounter inappropriate behavior or cheating in Ludo King, then you can report a player. And here is how you do it. First of all, launch open Ludo King application on your device, and if you have proof, capture any inappropriate messages or behavior. Now, once you have it, go ahead and tap on the social button at the bottom and then select from the chat list or the friend list for the person that you want to report. After selecting one of the contacts, tap on their profile picture and this will open up their statistics. Now, click on the exclamatory icon in blue on the top right and click on Report Profile to report the contact. Now, select the category why you are trying to report the player, and after you select them, click on Submit. Ludo King has strict policies against inappropriate behavior, and repeated offenses may result in a ban for the player. If needed, also make sure to provide the attachment of the screenshot that you've taken from the contact. That is how you easily report a player in Ludo King. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more Ludo King tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.